Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This is a video, basically a video on a updo style and how to achieve this style by using 0 pins. So there's no pins in the style, but the style is going to be an updo. So sit back, watch, and enjoy. This is a color weave that I did on a client, and she is getting an updo for the weekend. Here I'm just looking for the balance of her ponytail, be a high ponytail on the top, and then we'll build the updo from the high ponytail.
Take my smoke break while y'all handle this. Then I'm gonna come back and see if y'all ready, y'all done. Y'all like y'all need some smoke. I've been thinking that right. I don't need nobody else. Bump on the grind, let's do the wine. Hypnotized by the look in your eyes. Feel my body full of richness when you give me all. It seemed like Shanti would sit there and talk to the girl the whole time. He would sit there and smack. It feel like he would sit there eating and talk to the girl. Just ask you unnecessary questions.
Client likes to do the final centering in a certain spot, so there you go. So here the client has color weaving different lengths of red throughout her hair. It's her favorite color, so we decided to do color weaving with the Dreadlock Machine. And now we're going to braid it in 3 braids.
Like it's ragu, never a bar stuck together like it's summer glue. A force to be reckoned with. Mace Windu, love the way you make your body move to the melody. How you sway on the beat, work it like a regiment. Man, right by the way she move them hips. Every time she gets, she put me in a trance with every kiss. This is my bliss. Let me just get my grip. Out of my mind, it's a trip. With every kiss, this is just my bliss. Let me just get my grip. Out of my mind, it's a trip.
I usually would braid about 8 braids to do an updo, but my client wants it to be one solid updo without a lot of different parts. So this is going to be an updo with 3 braids only. I usually do about 5 to 8 braids. That makes the hair more fuller, but she wants the hair to be more of a big, gigantic updo today.
Contemplating what we can be. Want to have you to myself. I don't need nobody else. Bump on the grind, let's do the wine. Hypnotized by the look in your eyes. Feel my body full of richness when you give me all your kisses. We're like the sun and the moon blend sequence. I'm mesmerized by your touch so frequent and still for both since we first met. Love so strong, it's a light tight grip, but no destruction connected by the soul. Got my mind under control. I think of you all the time. No, I can't get you off my mind.
Here I'm just showing you how the color weaving inside the braid can cause like different beautiful colors at different spaces in the hair. So when I do the updo, it's going to cause just different colors throughout the updo, which makes it nice, quite brilliant. Here I'm also showing you how to do an updo with no pins. You would do a clockwise technique. You will take the braid in one direction, tuck it, take the braid in another direction, tuck it, and continue until the braids are all tucked. After the tucking of the final braid, I will use needle and thread to pin the hair to different parts of the hair to make an anchor so that the updo won't move or come out. Here, she's doing her popular woman move to make sure it's exactly where she wants it, off of her forehead, and then I start sewing. I use a needle and thread. I usually use black because her base roots are black, so I'm using a curved needle so that I won't stick her or stick myself. And I'll use probably one set of thread, and I'll go and I'll find the anchor. So the anchor is her hair underneath. Sorry about the camera, but the anchor is her locks that are on her scalp. So I'm gonna go between the locks on her scalp and the updo, and I'm gonna come back up into the updo so that I can see how I'm finding the anchor, so that I can anchor the base so that her updo won't move, and then I'll go through the updo all the way through different points to anchor it to each other so it's all one piece, so it'll appear to be one piece in terms of not being able to move because the needle and thread is capturing all of the hair or locks so that it will be like one bundle and not moving. There I'm doing another anchor piece, her scalp, her lock on the scalp, and then I take it, feed it up through the lock, or through the updo, I'm sorry. I am going around the entire base of the hair to hit certain points on the base so that the hair can be secured. And then after I go around the base of the updo, then I go into the body of the updo and I will tack together, not a lot of sewing, but tack together certain points, and that's usually where the braid tips are so that they won't come unraveled, and I'll touch it to see where any sticking points that will come, any points that are loose that will come undone. I will tack those hairs too. I'll tack those locks as well. Now that I've secured the base support, then I go into the updo and I start tacking different parts to make sure the parts that are soft and available to come undone are tacked together until they'll act as one piece. So that's what I'm doing now.
Lately, I've been thinking about you. How you stay dripping in the sauce like it's ragu. Never apart, stuck together like it's summer glue. A force to be reckoned with. Mace Windu. Love the way you make your body move to the melody. How you sway on the beat, work it like a regiment. Mesmerized by the way she move them hips. Every time she gets, you put me in a trance with every kiss. This my bliss.
This is our finishing touch. A little ISO plus. Now she's ready to rock and roll. And a little holding spray.